Hey everyone, I'm Lee Miller. I'm a real estate investor and a solar entrepreneur. And if you have anything to do with real estate, I've got some really exciting information that I think you're going to find very beneficial. So I just came from a real estate agent and investor's house where he got a brand new roof and a main panel upgrade installed with absolutely no money out of pocket when he went with no money down solar. Now, his tenants are absolutely thrilled about buying him a new roof because their monthly payment is less expensive than what they're paying with Edison. Now, I'm currently working with about a dozen different properties and real estate investors, helping them to get a brand new roof at no cost out of pocket. And I'm actually going to be sharing a very special training on Tuesday, September 24th, here in Riverside, live and in person. I'm going to share with you how you can actually leverage solar to make more money in real estate, no matter what it is that you're doing for real estate. And, a lot of people like real estate for the tax benefits. You'd be surprised how many incredible tax incentives are available with solar as well. So if you'd like to learn how to leverage the power of solar to have more money in your real estate transactions, to get a free roof, to have your tenants pay for some of these costs for you, then definitely come join me Tuesday, September 24th in Riverside. The exact address will be at the QR code at the bottom of the flyer. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day.